Hey guys, Shan here again with Shan's Decluttering Service. Doing it again with this paperwork. We're on phase 2 here, where we've taken all the papers, we piled them all up onto the bed, took them out of the closet, we took some pictures, some before pictures, and now we have sorted all those pictures into piles. So just follow me. Let's turn the camera here so you can see some piles. Auto, bank, mortgage stuff, utilities, pretty pile of recycle just started. We're going to recycle next. Alright guys, let's see what we can do with all of our piles to make it beautiful. We're doing the work. So far we've been at it for 1 hour and 45 minutes, and this is where we're at in this part of the process. Come back. We'll talk about it later. Bye.